Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I will be showing you how to cut deep keyhole neckline corset. I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you. We are going to take our vertical measurements. So the length I'll be using is 18 inches. So I'll be marking the bust point of 11 inches, under bust of 14 inches. Length of the top is 17 inches with 1.5 seam allowance, so that will be 18 inches altogether. So I'm going to mark a line across it. So the neck width is going to be 3.5 inches. Then the depth is 3 inches. I'm going to mark my shoulder line. The shoulder line I'm working with is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2, that's 8 inches. So I'm going to connect my 3.5 and 3 inches of neck depth together. After doing that, I will come down by 1 inch under the shoulder line for the shoulder slope. Then I will connect it together. And chest line, so the chest line is 9 inches. So I'm going to mark a straight line, chest line. Now I will mark my armhole line. I'll bring the line down. I will look for the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Now I'm going to mark my bust measurement at the chest line. So the bust we are working with is 38 inches, 38 divided by 4. That's 9.5 inches. I'm going to mark 9.5 inches. I will come here and mark 1/2 inch. Then I will connect my line together with the bust span. So the bust span is 8 inches. I will divide my bust point by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So I'm going to mark 4 all through. Then I'll make a straight line. At the slope line, then you look for the midpoint. So you can fold your tape measure this way. Then you connect it to meet with the bust span of 4 inches. Excuse me. Then you connect it this way. Look for the midpoint of the shoulder line. Then connect it to the bust span of 4 inches. Mark 1 inch on both sides for the dart on both sides. Mark a straight line. Make it straight down. Let's the line together. You connect the bust point to meet with the other bust. Then you connect the other side. So after doing that, you come to the chest line and come up by 1.5 inches. Then you are going to make a straight line. After doing that, you mark 1 inch on both sides as well. Then you are going to connect the line together to meet the bust point. has it. So you come to the chest line and mark 1 inch here, so that you'll be able to connect the cup line. Just connect it with this line. So we are going to connect it to this. Then after doing that, come to the chest line here. This is 1 inch, so you divide it into half, so that will be 0.5. So you mark 0.5 inches so that you can connect it with the other cup. So the 2 cups, you can see the 2 cups. We are going to connect here to meet with the 1.5 inches that we marked up, this way, to meet with the upper line of 1.5 inches. Now we are going to blend the line here. After doing that, for us to make the deep keyhole, we are going to come in by 1.5 inch or 1 inch. It depends on what you want anyway. So let's come in by 1.5 inch. Then you come at the neck depth. Then you mark 1.5 inch as well, so that you'll be able to connect it to make your keyhole. And you are going to place your ruler this way for you to connect the line. You connect the 1.5 inch together. You can reshape your cup if you want. What we are going to do now is to mark our measurement. So we are going to mark the horizontal measurement. So we are going to mark the bust line, which we've already marked. So 9.5. So 38 divided by 4, that's 9.5. So I'm going to add 2 inches to it for seam and allowance. Then the bust point anyway, the bust line. So this is it, 9.5 plus 2 inches. So we come to underbust. So underbust is 32 inches. So we are going to divide 32 inches by 4. So that will give us 8 inches. So we are going to mark our 8 inches here. Then the 2 inches of seam and allowance. Then you come to the waist. So the waist is 39 inches. 39 divided by 4, that's 9.75. So you are going to mark your 9.75 here. Then you add 2 inches for seam and allowance. You can see that I extended the line. So that's what you're going to cut out. So don't forget, you are going to input the dart intake. I'm going to transfer it here. So we are going to mark, this is one inch here, 1 inch on both sides, that's 2 inches. So you mark your 2 inches. Then under bust as well, you mark your 2 inches. Then at the waist, you mark your 2 inches. You can see it's not enough. You can only mark 1.5 inches here. But make sure you have enough fabric to cut your top out. Next thing is to connect all the line together. Connect all the line together. I'm going to cut it out now. So you can start cutting from anywhere. So you cut the armholes. Then you come up here at the 1 inch slope of shoulder line. I'm going to cut half of it out. So that will be for the seam. And you bring it down to the neckline. Then you come down here and cut your cup. Now you are going to cut here. So this will be our keyhole. Now you cut here out, and you bring it up this way. So that you can cut the deep keyhole. So you can see the keyhole. Now I'm going to cut the cup out. So now let's see what I'm doing. So this is what you are going to cut out. Can you see it? Still going to cut that out. You can see it. So this side will be the keyhole area. You can see it is easy to cut. So I urge you to cut yours as well. So this is a deep yoke.